Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing for the Zenfone Max Pro 6GB RAM variant. And you might be wondering why the 6GB RAM variant. This is the regular 4GB RAM variant, and in the 6GB RAM variant they have actually changed the camera modules, and obviously it has 6GB of RAM, and this will also be sold in India via Flipkart. Pricing for this one is rupees 15,000, whereas the regular variant that comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage is priced at 13,000. So this is the regular version, and we'll check the camera later on to see if there is any significant difference. And it says V photo again. I don't think so anything will be different in this one in terms of packaging, SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and also you get that TPU case in the box. So let me keep this to the side, and we have the handset itself, and this is supposed to be the new color variant. This is the silver gray color variant. Actually, as you can see, the old one that I had is in this black bluish color. So yeah, this is the new color that we have, and exactly from back, if you look at it, you can't notice any difference. The camera setup is also almost the same. The front facing camera is also improved on this one. It's having a 16 megapixel, whereas the older one had an 8 megapixel shooter. So yeah, that's what it is. And let's quickly see what else do we get in the box. And we have this charger in the box, and it's this one is also having exactly the same spec, Snapdragon 666 with the 5000 milliamp hour battery. So this is the power brick that you're getting, and this cable, and we also get that boom box inside that. So that's what we get inside the box. Let me keep these things to the side, and let's quickly have a look at the device itself. So guys, here is the device, and this one is also having a 5.99-inch screen. On the top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone. Looks actually nice in this color, I would say. Volume rockers, power on off button. Again, we have a slight pattern on the power button, so you can easily feel it. On the bottom, one vent for the speaker, micro USB port, main microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and again the SIM slot. I don't think so again there'll be any difference in this setup. This is the same setup that you're getting, and as you can see, 2 nano SIMs and a dedicated micro SD card slot that you're going to get with this device. The internal storage is 64GB. On the back we also have the fingerprint scanner. So let me quickly just boot this up and set it up. In the meantime, here are the specs for the Asus Zenfone Max Pro 6GB RAM variant. It's having a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus IPS grade screen in the 18:9 aspect ratio. It's powered with a Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. This model comes with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, here we see a difference. Again, it's a dual camera setup, but it's a 16 megapixel sensor plus 5 megapixel for depth sensing, and the front facing camera now is an improved 16 megapixel shooter, and still we have a 5000 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device, and again, as you can see, almost same interface, nothing has changed. It does have FM radio and Instagram and some apps that are pre-installed, but yeah, apart from that, it's the same. And as you can see, it's downloading some stuff. Let's look at the Android version that it's coming with this one. If we go to system, and if we go to it's Android version 8.1 that you're getting with this one. And Asus has said that these devices will be getting Android security updates once in about 2 months. So that's what it is regarding the updates. And yes, the biggest thing about this device is the camera. Let me also show you the storage, how much is actually left out of that 64GB. You roughly get about 53GB that will be free for use. So that's regarding the storage on this device. But again, storage shouldn't be a problem because we have a dedicated micro SD card slot on this device. And let's look at the fingerprint scanner, and then we'll test the camera, because I feel that's the major difference on this 6GB RAM model. In fact, yes, I feel the fingerprint scanner performance is slightly improved, yes, compared to the old 4GB RAM model. I was complaining about the fingerprint scanner on this 4GB RAM model, and yes, definitely this is a 4GB RAM model. And yes guys, the fingerprint scanner is significantly faster and more responsive on this 6GB RAM model. But yeah, the biggest difference I am expecting is in the camera. Let's have a look at it. And if we go, I love everything. Wow, lots of options and all those things. And the interface is exactly similar to the old one. We have tap to focus, but now the rear facing camera is a 16 megapixel shooter. Earlier it was a 13. and no shutter lag, as you can see. That's good. And front facing camera was not that great on the old one, and here they are telling that they have a new one, and definitely this actually looks sharper. And we also have the portrait mode with the front facing camera. So yeah, this was the photo that I took in the portrait mode with the front facing camera. This was the regular one. And yeah, these are some of the sample shots. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some sample shots with this device so that you can have a very quick idea regarding the camera performance of this new Zenfone Max Pro. So here are some of the sample shots taken with the new Zenfone Max Pro. And these are in artificial lighting conditions in my office. And I feel, yes, the camera is improved. And here side-by-side sample with the 4GB RAM model, which is the older one, and on the right the new model. So again, side-by-side comparison. And now some of the sample shots taken with the front-facing camera of this new 6GB RAM model. And again, here are some samples in the portrait mode with the front-facing camera. And again, side-by-side samples with the front-facing camera with the 4GB RAM model and the new 6GB RAM model. So definitely, I would say the camera seems to be improved on this one. So if you really want a good camera, you can certainly invest in the 6GB RAM variant. And this one is also going to be sold in India via Flipkart. And pricing for this one is 15,000. I'll have the link for that in the YouTube description area. So guys, that's it for now for this video. Again, as the camera is the biggest improvement on this one, I'll also try to compare this smartphone's camera with the Redmi Note 5 Pro by next week, and let's see the results. It'll be an interesting video. What do you guys think about the same? So anyways, guys, that's it for now for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.